Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. In front of you, brand new printer, the company name Brother. Model number is MFC J2340DW. Printer is showing error, Machine Error FE00, as you can see on the screen. I just received that printer and I am having this error. So today in this video, this is actually a firmware glitch in the printer, in the formatter board. The firmware glitch or the communication glitch, you can say. So we have to update the firmware. There are multiple methods to update the firmware. While I connected the USB cable, there is no connectivity on the computer also. So what I did, I connect the printer with the network cable with my router, and printer is connected with the network right now. So now I will install the driver in my computer using network port. So we will move over screen. Yeah, I installed the driver from Brother official website. If you will see from here, I downloaded the driver, and at the time of installation I select, there are multiple options: wired Wi-Fi, wired network and USB. I select the wired network and found my printer is appeared on the screen, enable screen. So now what I will do, after finish the installation, you have to download the firmware utility from here. You have to go back and we will download the firmware utility from the official website. You can see Brother website, there is firmware update tool. You have to download firmware update tool. I have already downloaded it. This is the file of 20 MB. I will double click on it and we will follow the instructions on this screen. So it's running now, checking for the latest. Okay, it's found our printer using network port. If you can see, this is update firmware tool. Okay, and it's found our printer Brother MFC. It's showing the wrong model here. Our model is not 5340, but we will send the firmware update file using this tool. I will press next and hopefully it will work, because there is a firmware failure glitch. We have to accept the agreement. It is showing the following information will be collected and stored: serial number, model name and firmware version. I will press accept and next. So it's showing that caution, machine's default password. Okay, it's asking us to enter the machine's default password. So I will try the password. Okay, it's mentioned on the back side of the machine. I already copied. This is the password. We will enter the password. Just stay with me. Enter the password and the password is written back side of the machine. We'll press OK now, and it's showing that updating the firmware. So we will move out to our printer screen and see if there is any movement on the screen also. Still there is no movement on the screen, but the firmware is right now updating, so we have to wait. 40%, 30% is completed, so we have to wait. And guys, it showed error: Brother firmware update tool cannot start updating the firmware. Ensure that you have done by the following, then click retry. So it means that there is a serious formatter board issue, corrupt firmware or the firmware glitch. It's not accepting using network. But in our case, when I connect this printer with my computer using USB cable, it's not showing at all. It's just showing the maintenance mode. So this is the method. If you have ever found this error, you can try to update firmware using USB cable or network cable. Hopefully in your case it will work, and in my case it's showing an error. It's keep showing this error message: Machine Error FE00. Our model number was 2340DW. If you have any other solution, you can tell me in the comments. I will appreciate your comments. That's it.